Okay, I'm going to play you a little gig. Haven't done this for a long time. This is a song called Long, Long Road. We talked and talked and talked till morning. The candle burned right to the wax. We never got to resolution. We never faced the facts. And so I packed a case of memories. I found a space for all our dreams, the ones we spoke about while courting, the ones that died, so it seems. It's a long, long road that has no turning. It's a long, long road to do no learning. It's a long, long road when we cannot find a way to find that little way to say we're sorry. I cried and cried my tears that evening. The bright sun and sky were meaningless. I waited for a text that never happened. It's not that way it works, I must confess. It's a long, long road that has no turning. It's a long, long life to do no learning. It's a long, long day when we cannot find a way to find that little way to say we're sorry. I threw my case of dreams in a river. I watched the waters carry it away. I wonder if someone ever found it. I wonder what is it they'd say. It's a long, long road that has no turning. It's a long, long life to do no learning. It's a long, long day when we cannot find a way to find that little way to say we're sorry. It's a long, long road that has no turning. It's a long, long life to do no learning. It's a long, long day when we cannot find a way to find that little way to say we're sorry. Long, Long Road, written in 2014. 12 years ago. So we're now moving to another song which I love, which was written 4 years later in 2018 after going for a walk down at a place called Nanjizal, not far from Land's End. And this is called The Cliffs of Nanjizal. From Mayon Green to Sun and Cold, one sunny Saturday I rode from Annisdornan to Cornwall to see the foaming ocean roll. Glittering sea, stormy waves, the things my hero heart still craves, sprightly winds, feeling free, where the cliffs of Nanjizal slope steeply to the sea. A courting couple come and kiss, to catch a moment not to miss. They make a vow under Zornry, one another to love and never leave. Glittering sea, stormy waves, the things my hero heart still craves, sprightly winds, feeling free, where the cliffs of Nanjizal slope steeply to the sea. And here's a toast to all I met upon that path, the four who walked each year, of them I photographed. They stank the coastal fringe, caught up and had a laugh. So when to you all, Trevelyan's way my cross stands bare, amongst the western fields to share. The route trudged daily by a few, I ponder forgotten things they knew. Glittering sea, stormy waves, the things my hero heart still craves, sprightly winds, feeling free, where the cliffs of Nanjizal slope steeply, a glittering sea, stormy waves, the things my hero heart still craves, sprightly winds, feeling free, cliffs of Nanjizal slope steeply, where the cliffs of Nanjizal cliffs of Nanjizal slope steeply to the sea. To the sea. There you go. A bit of the Cliffs of Nanjizal. What else shall I play you on this little adventure through my little book here? What's this one? No, let's go to... Ooh, go back a bit. Oh, here we go. Let's go for this one. Why Don't They Tell Us? Written in 2014. A lot of songs written around that time because I was going to the Melting Pot at the Crogie in Redruth, and there was a little cafe there on a Wednesday night where a whole lot of songwriters got round the table, and it inspired me to write a whole lot. Why don't they tell us that time is short? To learn that first would make so much sense. If they told us on the first day at school, we'd never use the past tense. Why don't they tell us that love is blind? I could have avoided all that pain. Instead I keep on making the same old mistakes. Again, and again. Why don't they tell us? Why don't they tell us? Tell us the truth while they can. Why don't they warn us? Why don't they warn us? The race is never run, it's always ran. Why don't they tell us the biggest truth? We always fail every day. If they'd warned me, I'd cope far better now. So much life has gone that way. Oh, why don't they tell us? Why don't they tell us? Tell us the truth while they can. Why don't they warn us? Why don't they warn us? The race is never run, it's always ran. So many foolish faults all of the time. So many can't count, no reason, no rhyme. Why don't they tell us? Why don't they tell us? Tell us the truth for all it's worth. Why don't we listen? Why don't we listen? Why, oh why, oh why all night? Why don't they tell us? Why don't they tell us? Tell us don't they tell us why not? Now I can just do one more song here, and this was written in 2017, March 2017, because Mother often comes down to see me on the train from Dorset, and this is really about that. The wind was a-blowing when my mother came to stay. She caught a bus from Blandford and it took her on her way. Her train was a-waiting at Axminster, Devon East. Then it changed at Exeter and had a midday feast. All my mothers come to see me, so I better clean the loo. I'll stock the fridge with goodies and buy wine and whiskey too. We'll go out for a session and catch up with all our news. There's nothing like your mother to rid you of your blues. We've played games of Scrabble and we've slept before the box. We've gone for coastal walks to watch the sea crash on the rocks. We've raided some old skips and found some shells almost new. That's why it's good to see her, for I never do feel blue. All my mothers come to see me, so I better clean the loo. Well, I'll stock the fridge with goodies and buy wine and whiskey too. We'll go out for a session and catch up on all our news. There's nothing like your mother to rid you of your blues. The saddest part of this is when I put her on the train and hear that whistle blowing as she leaves Curnow again. Well, I mark off all the days till I invite her through the door, and then we'll have some good times, enjoyed a little more. Oh, my mother's come to see me, so I better clean the loo. And I'll stock the fridge with goodies and buy wine and whiskey too. We'll go out for a session and catch up with all our news. There's nothing like your mother to rid you of your blues. No, there's nothing like your mother to rid you of your blues. Well, thank you very much for persevering right to the end, and I'll see you in a real session somewhere, sometime. Thank you. Goodbye.